Now that you're all here, you may be wondering why I've called you in. You do not get along. You fight, you yell, sometimes you throw things.
What are you talking about, Gary? We get along just fine.
Guys, we gotta step it up. Our sales are dropping lower than last year. At this point, we'll run the company into the ground!
Something else.
Dorothy, what the hell? I told you to stop bothering me. I have work to do. Your inability to cooperate is wasting valuable time. So, to remedy the situation, I'm sending you all on a retreat where you can learn to get along better.
Oh, a retreat! This will be just like my family's yearly trips to Martha's Vineyard.
Yeah, alright.
I'll pack my sundress.
Guess this will be fun.
I'll bring the disinfectant wipes.
Fab. I'm gonna get schmutz on my pants.
This is outrageous.
Well, it's not that bad.
Where are the outlets?
There aren't any.
Then how am I supposed to do my hair?
Welcome to the retreat. Your enthusiasm is overwhelming. Nice of you to finally join us, Frank.
Sorry, I got lost.
Look, man, I can't miss my date tonight, but I can't not go to this thing HR is making me go to. Gary already hates me. He's out to get me, I swear. So I'm proposing you fill in for me. People have told me we look alike. Yes, they have. Oh my gosh, they have so. Come on, please. Oh, thank you, man. I owe you one.
As I was saying, this trip is aimed to teach you how to collaborate. If you can't, we'll have to move you somewhere where you don't work with others, like accounting.
Ew.
Okay then, I'll be off to my tent in elsewhere. Happy camping.
Wait, so you're just gonna leave us here to fend for ourselves?
Yep, I'll see you all in the morning.
Can I have some of that?
No.
Don't even think about it.
Need some help?
No, I got it.
Are you sure? Because I think you've got the wrong poles attached, and it looks inside.
I got it, Stuart.
Clearly.
All right then, smartass. You think you could do better? There's another tent right there. Why don't you go and take a shot at it? Then we'll see who can do it the quickest.
I'm getting kind of hungry.
Me too, but it's okay. There's a world of food around us.
Oh yeah, I saw some really questionable looking berries on that bush over there.
Really?
Did Gary seriously not leave us with any real food?
There are endless opportunities in the wilderness.
Yeah, let me go nosh on that squirrel over there.
I only eat squirrel when it's cooked in a Dutch oven. Tastes like steak.
Ew, Peggy. What a drag. I hope Gary's rotting away in his tent. Does anyone know what time it is? I feel like I've been here forever.
Actually, did you know you can use the sun to tell the time? Ah! No, you don't look at the sun, genius. No, it's called a sundial. I read about it in the latest Life magazine. Basically, the sun shines down on something like a stick, and it creates a shadow that acts as a clock of a hand. It all depends on your coordinates and the distance you are from the equator. But basically, you can use the shadow and the sun to create a natural clock.
So, what time is it? It's 11 a.m. What? Hey, Stuart. It's been like half an hour. Maybe we should just give up on the fire.
Absolutely not. I am freezing my
Nope.
tuchus off.
I got it. Just one more. Go!
This is what happens when you force a data analyst to do something that is actually useful.
Stuart, are you crying?
No.
Okay, here's the deal. We should all get food before the sun goes down. I say one of us stays here and holds down the fort, while the rest of us go into groups and hunt.
What exactly are we hunting for?
Anything we can find. Berries, deer, scorpions, people.
Dear?
Would you rather starve?
Quite frankly, yes.
Stuart, I think you should stay.
What? No way! I can be useful.
I think I should stay here and make sure nobody walks away with our tent.
Nice try, Dorothy. Stuart, stay.
My tuchus is staying put.
I'll go. I go skiing with my friends from the country club every winter. I know my way around the woods.
Of course you do.
Well, I guess that's just the three of us.
Well, whoop-de-doo.
All of these birds are kind of creeping me out.
What? Are you afraid of birds or something?
Yeah, haven't you seen the movie?
What movie?
Alfred Hitchcock? The birds. Birds are murderous. They're out for blood.
Speaking of which, where's Gertrude? Dorothy, I really don't think a bunch of berries are going to feed a group of 5.
Clearly you've never... Wait, what?
What?
Did you just call me Dorothy?
No, Peggy. I mean Peggy.
Wait a minute. Frank? Did you get a haircut?
Yeah. Yes.
I knew it! I thought there was something different about you.
Yeah.
Is this safe to eat? This can't be kosher.
I'm not making any promises. Anyone willing to try it?
I'd rather inject myself with salmonella directly, thank you very much.
I have a little something that will make it better.
Now we're talking.
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace.
Not a trace.
Of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried.
Frank, was this you?
What?
Will you stop being so loud?
No, Gary, I didn't poop on your shoulder.
Wait, did you just call me Gary?
Will you be quiet?
Oh, what's up with you?
Frank!
Oh, for the love of God, he is not Frank!
She's right.
What? You're not
What?
actually Frank!
Who are you?
And that's not all. Dorothy, Stuart,
What could you possibly be referring to?
Yeah.
I saw you last night, together, behind the tree. And don't think I haven't noticed your secret relationship.
Stuart?
Gertrude!
Well, I checked with HR. I thought it was okay. Who are you? What you have Good morning, campers.
So, the basics of accounting.